Congratulations on all your accomplishments. You deserve this spot to finally relax, and what better way to do it than with 18 holes of championship golf just steps from your back door. After your round, cool off with an ice-cold drink on the screened-in porch overlooking the 9th fairway. Later, you can enjoy a gourmet dinner at the restaurant located inside the community clubhouse before heading home for drinks with friends in the custom kitchen and retreating to the first floor master when the night is over. When loved ones come to visit, they will each have their own room with ensuite bath, and your guests will love the community playground, tennis, pickleball, and basketball court, and the Olympic-sized pool. During the summer, you can skip the golf and instead enjoy the lake just minutes from your front door. Every part of this home and this neighborhood was made to make every day a getaway. Welcome home.